These are the best Forex brokers in Canada for 2024. We've analyzed the latest in Forex trading and CFD trends, and in this video, we're going to uncover the best Forex brokers in Canada. But before we do that, there's a broker we're going to reveal at the end of this video that we found to have really low spreads and one of the best ranges of markets of any broker in Canada. Please stay tuned for the end of the video. Then we look at things like spreads, trading platforms, and customer service. We actually have our own accounts opened with each of these brokers. Tegan, Dave, and Ross all have accounts too. We opened them all to thoroughly test them. We also did some bot testing. Ross, with his IT background, is our head of research and has looked at things like execution speeds. Obviously, for issues like slippage, you really want a broker with a fast and reliable technology stack. We've looked at that in detail. Check out our methodology. We tested the spreads ourselves. We reviewed what the brokers published, and we'll be discussing that today, but we made sure to test it ourselves to keep the brokers honest and evaluate these critical elements. This is how we determined our final list. So, with that being said, who do we recommend as the #1 broker in Canada for 2024? We recommend a broker that everyone has heard of, Oanda. Oanda is one of the most trusted brokers worldwide. They have zero regulation, but they're also regulated in the US, UK, Australia, throughout Asia, and Europe, so you can trust them. I know that's very important for many of our traders out there. Secondly, they have some of the lowest spreads for a standard account, which is a no-commission account, and we know that's something a lot of people prefer. When trading, it's crucial to understand the overall costs and positions. The spread might be a bit high because there's no commission. It's baked into the spread. This setup is really suitable for beginner to intermediate traders. They offer a wide range of trading platforms, and personally, I prefer the Oanda platform as it has more features than their MT4 or MT5 setups. However, that's a matter of personal preference. At number 2, we have Forex.com. Again, a very well-known broker worldwide, and of course they are zero regulated. We particularly like them for their raw account. While Oanda is great for a standard account, the raw account at Forex.com, where the spread is combined with a commission, offers some of the lowest costs in Canada. Trading costs are obviously important, especially for high-frequency traders using automation, and Forex.com offers some of the lowest overall trading costs. As I mentioned, they offer mainstream platforms and have their own as well, providing a good range of trading platforms. The trading platform experience and customer service are quite good, but what really stands out about Forex.com are the low trading fees, which is why I like them. Now at number 3, who do we recommend in Canada? We're actually going with CMC Markets. These are all large brokers, and while we do recommend smaller brokers for specific niches, which we'll discuss later, CMC Markets is one of the oldest and most trusted brokers. We particularly like them for their mobile trading platform. Norman and I are different types of traders. I'm a desktop trader. I need full focus with big screens when trading the markets. Norman is the opposite. He likes to trade on his mobile while on the go. He's an iPhone user and regularly trades on his iPhone. CMC Markets' next-generation trading platform is seamless, whether on an Android like my Samsung, an iPhone, or even an iPad. Norm is currently bringing up his position on CMC, as you can see. We practice what we preach. We have accounts with them, and the mobile experience is seamless. The apps are flawless, not overly updated, and they're fast. There's nothing worse than a platform with too many features that slow it down. The desktop platform covers all markets, but the app experience is different, so CMC has done a great job with their software. It's proprietary software, meaning you can only trade using it with CMC. If you're on the go and not planning to use a desktop, CMC is worth considering. You can take it from us. I actually use the CMC platform myself. I like the mobile trading app and have been using it for quite a while, mainly to trade Australian shares. Compared to other mobile trading apps, I definitely find CMC to be the best of the bunch. Let me quickly summarize what Justin mentioned to make it easier to digest. At number 3, we recommend CMC Markets as the best broker in Canada for mobile trading apps. They've got apps for iPhone, Android, and iPad, so if those are the devices you use, CMC Markets is worth considering. At number 2, we went with Forex.com, a huge company and a household name. We really like their raw account, which is a spread plus commission account that generally has the lowest trading costs on the market. They're a reliable company that keeps trading costs low and is geared toward more advanced traders in Canada. And at number 1, the broker we recommend in Canada for 2024 is Oanda. We found that the spreads on their standard account were the cheapest around, and of course they have all the necessary regulations. We'll touch on these other features in a couple of sentences. So, the trading platform. Remember I said I like the Oanda platform. It has advanced features and is geared toward beginner to intermediate traders. Overall, they do a great job. They've got the best customer service as voted by users, making them a great all-around choice. If you're looking for a CIRO-regulated account, Oanda is a no-brainer. At the start of the video, we mentioned that we would reveal a broker in Canada that we found to be one of the cheapest and offering a huge range of markets. So, who is that broker? The broker is FP Markets. Now, FP Markets is not CIRO-regulated. They are regulated in Europe and Australia, so they have Tier 1 regulation and can be trusted. If you're open to considering an offshore broker, their spreads are among the lowest on the market. For example, the Canadian USD Forex pair has an average spread of 0.3 pips, which is clearly one of the lowest. Another good example of something frequently traded in Canada is gold. So what's the spread? It's advertised as 0. Now, of course there will be times when it isn't, but that's what's advertised. They have such high trading volume that the spread is often 0 pips. They offer a wide range of markets, including more exotic options, whether it's currencies, precious metals, or shares that you won't find with other brokers. The fees are higher for these more exotic markets, which is expected. The most common assets will have the lowest fees, while more exotic ones will have higher fees. But if you're looking to trade a wide range of markets, and low spreads are your priority on an ECN account, FP Markets is our recommended choice if you're open to considering an offshore broker. Alright, that's all we have time for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to help us reach more people.